It is well known that land use to its varying degrees has an impact on native marsupial species. While there has been little study into how these populations are truly impacted and reduced, it is still a major concern for wildlife management today. Some of these species include Antiochitis flavipes, Spinthopsis murina, Musk musculus, Rattus fuscipes, Pseudomia gracilicordatus, and Planogaum maculate. There are two types of land use known to affect native marsupial populations. The first is land clearing, and the second is fire in the use of a wildfire or fire regimen. Therefore, the aim of this study is to determine if or how varying types of land use, including logging and fire, affect the distribution and abundance of small native marsupials. The study was conducted in the area of Helidon Hills over 5 properties. Trapping was undertaken over 3 nights starting from the 17th of August to the 20th of August 2015. On all 5 sites the following traps were used: 80 Elliott traps, 8 cage traps, 15 pitfall traps, 6 camera traps, and 6 passive soil plots. The data collected from all animals captured was collated together to determine the number of animals per 100 trap nights to determine the abundance of species. This data was then further analysed using a general linear fit ANOVA model to determine if there was any significant data collected. Analysis of results indicate that there is no significant effect of logging on small native marsupial species. It is believed that this may be because over a long period of time, when logging has ceased, pre-occurring natural vegetation has had the opportunity to regrow, therefore providing key habitat structures and vegetation needed for small marsupial species to protect and hide from predation. The results from fire intensity indicate that the only species to be affected long-term by fire is that of Spinthopsis murina. The long-term effects of fire are known to provide more dense and thick habitat and vegetation. However, this habitat and vegetation may not be adequate for Spinthopsis murina. Therefore, they have been significantly affected. However, the remaining species found during this survey are known to return to the local area both immediately after fires and over longer periods of time once regenerating vegetation and key structures have returned. When we consider wildlife management, it can be seen that controlled and regulated fire regimens can, in some cases, be beneficial to small marsupial populations. However, due to the fact that species differ, in order to manage the local wildlife more efficiently, it is important to survey each species individually to determine how these land uses affect them and to better manage each species. Thank you.